happy 17th birthday. Wala ka, nagatanda ka na. Tapos, nahalata ko good no, nag-mature ka. And that's good. Really good. Tapos, ang message ko for you is, thank you sa lahat-lahat ng memories since first year high school. Tapos, ngayon, ang wish ko is, ang wish ko, para sa'yo, good health, happy family, tapos sana maging successful CPA lawyer ka, CPA lawyer, pwede na CPA lawyer or CPA in the near future, kasi alam ko, yun ang goal mo. Gilang, kaya yan. CPA lawyer o CPA, kaya yan. So, yun. Happy 17th birthday. Bye-bye!